man, I've just soiled my pants. My chest.
It makes you want to move. You can't sit still when you're doing it.
I feel like I'm in a club right now. That's what it feels like. It feels like I'm in a club.
It literally feels like I'm in a club.
That was a whole body experience of Beat Saber. When the wall came through, my entire body shook and I wasn't prepared for it.
Oh man. Wow.
Yeah, I don't even know how to describe that.
Hey, okay. I like that.
I was not expecting that. That was amazing.
That was amazing.
I wasn't expecting that much. It felt like you could feel the wind blowing on you. That was something else.
One step closer to the Oasis.
If I were to play with it several more times, I'd get to a point where I wouldn't want to play Beat Saber without the Woojer.
That was intense. I could feel everything. It's so amazing. So amazing. I love it.
I love it. The way that it feels, you feel like you're inside of the movie.
That audio that really hits you, like it's funny because it's got me every single time. You think you see it coming, you expect it, you hear the audio, but to feel it as well, it really puts you inside of the game.
You can feel the tension, and like I still kind of feel the shivers now. It's pretty amazing. I'm definitely gonna get one.
Feels like I'm at a rave.
I swear, like it makes me want to dance.
It's like going through my body, hot.
So it kind of like pulses right there as it like goes with the beat.
With this vest on, it's legitimately like I have a giant 6-stack of bass speakers right in front of me, making you feel like you're actually there and things are really happening, like real life, not a simulation whatsoever.
Yeah, you can feel the actual movie. It's all over you.
You can feel like, I love it.
I didn't realize I always wanted this in my life.
Oh my god! It's never anything that I've like felt